This is the Bambu Lab A1. It's Bambu Lab's second bed-slinging 3D printer after the smaller A1 Mini. It's packed with some fantastic features such as auto bed leveling, auto Z offset, vibration compensation, a 300-degree hot swappable nozzle, and the same max build volume of 256mm cubed as its Corex by our older brothers and sisters, the X1 and P1 series. Is this printer going to be your next printer? Let's talk about it. Now, for the record, I purchased this printer from Bambu Lab myself. They did not send this printer out to me for a review. These are just my thoughts and experiences with the printer. Unboxing and setting up this machine was fairly simple. The box came incredibly well packaged and was segmented into 3 sections: the AMS light and accessories, the printer gantry, and the printer base. Assembling the machine was pretty straightforward apart from a couple of difficult wires you had to run under the printer base. However, this was all explained well and in detail in the supplied user manual. I loved the coloured circles around the screws that needed removing or installing. It made it a lot easier to understand what goes where and is very simple for beginners who have never assembled a bed slinger before. Once assembled and turned on, the printer will ask you to connect to Wi-Fi. Then scan the QR code with the Bambu Handy app to register the printer to your account. It will then run through a slightly lengthy process of vibration compensation, Z offset, and bed leveling. However, as I'll mention later, I haven't had to recalibrate my printer since. The A1's print quality, in all honesty, shocked me. This quality from a bed slinger? All my prints came out looking fantastic and similar in quality to the X1 Carbon. I had no print adhesion issues or visible artifacts on my prints, and I believe this is due to the lengthy calibration process, which leveled the bed multiple times and ran multiple vibration compensation tests. The A1 out of the box is compatible with PLA, PETG, and TPU. With the purchase of a hardened steel nozzle, it is also compatible with PLA CF and PETG CF. I also recently reviewed an enclosure for the A1 which allowed the printer to successfully and reliably print ABS, ASA, PC, and PA for only 66 USD, so around 100 Australian dollars. I'll have it linked in the description below if you're interested in picking one up to print engineering filaments on this printer. In all honesty, there is not a lot I can fault about this printer. There are only 2 things that come to mind if I really nitpick. First off, the AMS light takes up too much space, which for some people they may not mind. However, for me, who has quite a few printers on the desk, it is quite an issue. I know the AMS light can be mounted on top, solving this issue. However, I feel like it may affect print quality, so I may have to test this in another video. The second thing is the purge wiper. As you know, any multi-material printer with a single nozzle requires purging of filament every time you change the filament you are using. Now, with the X1 and P1 series, they had a purge chute on the back. However, for some reason with the A1, Bambu Lab went, who needs a purge chute? Let's just simply flick it off the left side of the machine in an uncontrollable range of directions. Now, I know this can be fixed by printing a deflector, which directs the purged filament downwards. However, I still think from a very inventive company that Bambu Lab could have found a better way to deal with the purge that didn't involve creating another mess. Now, overall, this is a fantastic printer at an amazing price point and has become my #1 personal favorite 3D printer and recommendation for anyone looking to get into 3D printing. Not only is it super simple to set up, but it also prints super reliably. Another added benefit for newcomers is the Bambu Handy app that not only allows you to monitor your prints, but also gives you a wide range of models that you can print straight from your device without needing to download complicated slicing software and learning how to slice your own files. All the files are sliced for you and can be sent to your printer in minutes. Perfect for users of all ages. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on the A1 in the comments down below, and if you'll be picking one up and if this video has helped you in making that decision. And as always, happy printing.